Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline in the short wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the classic solid paint colour Candy White. Across the front of the vehicle, it features 2 chrome stripes across the radiator grille, as well as having a body colour coordinated front bumper, complete with a set of front parking sensors, as well as some front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. The van also comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find the rear-loading barn doors, as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the doors and into the load area of the van, it comes with a fully ply-lined load area. There is also multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor, and access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and getting in and out of the van is made easy with a step on the side. Up front, in the cab area, we have a twin armrest seat for the driver, along with a twin-seater passenger bench. Both seats come finished in the bricks woven fabric cloth upholstery, and the passenger bench has some under-seat storage. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as utilise the App Connect feature. The van also comes with climatic air conditioning as well as a 12-volt outlet, useful for keeping those smart devices charged. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.